This is Kyle Clark from Rusty Truck Ranch. We're headed to Houston, Texas to see our good friends at Pitmaker to pick up my brand new barbecue rig. Let's hit the road.
Rusted truck, custom barbecue trailer, beautiful sniper with a custom airbrush barrel shroud for our great friend Kyle Clark at Rusted Truck Ranch. In case you guys haven't noticed, that sets us apart. We're constantly innovating. If you look at photos from the first year, the second year, and now this year, they're all different. In little ways, but important ways. Pitmaker, leading the barbecue industry.
We've got the long sniper offset smoker from Pitmaker, 3 pull-out trays, tons of capacity in this thing. Got a damper off the firebox and the patented Vortex exhaust system. Great seals on the door so it locks up, holds the smoke in tight. Got a firebox with a pull-out charcoal basket, stainless steel damper control. Stainless steel sink with a 20-gallon tank and on-demand pump. The traditional barbecue safe that started the whole thing. Tons of capacity in this guy. And the 48-inch Grillmeister charcoal grill. Adjustable fire grate at the bottom so you can get your coals right up against the grate for a sear on a steak or lower them down to slow cook some ribs. Thanks to the fellows at Pitmaker, Victor, George, Julio, for making an amazing rig. Couldn't be happier.